Hey, Sammy.
Look at Daddy.
Sammy, can you tell me what the jackhammer does? What?
Yeah. Yeah.
What is?
Yeah. Sammy.
What does it do? Does it break up dirt?
Yeah.
What, does it make any noises?
Nosy.
What kind of noises does the jackhammer?
Yeah.
Yeah. What? Is that a tire that you would wear with the jackhammer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sammy.
Would you put pants on when you wear your use your jackhammer? Or what? Would you use water shoes with a jackhammer?
Water shoes.
Yeah.
Water shoes.
Yeah. Well,
Water shoes.
can you show me one more time what the jackhammer does?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Sammy.
Yeah, you're pretty good at that.
Hammer. Yeah. Sammy.
Funny. You didn't think it was funny yesterday. You thought it was scary, didn't you?
All right, can you say? Yeah, bam. Yeah.
Sammy.
And what is that? Jackhammer? But can you say jackhammer? Can you say jackhammer?
Yeah. Jackhammer.
Jackhammer. Yeah, I love you, Sammy.
Jackhammer.